Они уже насложились.
Russian Defense Minister General of the Army Sergei Shoigu has inspected the implementation of the state defense order by Defensidi Industry Enterprises in Tula region. The head of the Russian Defense Ministry visited the production facilities of SPLAV Scientific and Production Association N.A.N. Garnishev and Imperial Tula Arms Factory. The heads of the enterprises reported to Sergei Shoigu on the programs being implemented to expand production capacity in order to provide Russian troops with a wide range of modern armament. Sergei Shoigu visited the MLRS projectiles workshops and automated lines for the assembly of ATGM and artillery ammunition. According to the management of the military and industrial complex, new and advanced models of arms and military hardware presented to the Russian defense minister have been put into mass production. In addition, their production is being increased through the introduction of the latest technologies. Following the results, General of the Army Sergei Shoigu held a meeting with the governor of Tula region, Alexei Tyuman, heads of enterprises and relevant military administrative bodies. They discussed the issues and instructions given by the President of the Russian Federation during last week's meeting in Tula region with the heads of organizations of Russia's defense industry complex. Also during the working meeting chaired by Sergei Shoigu, the attendees identified ways and developed mechanisms to promptly resolve the key issues of ensuring the smooth operation of defense industry enterprises in the region. The Russian defense minister drew the attention of the company executives to the fact that the Russian defense ministry is ready to get actively involved in the work to promptly address any issues arising in the implementation of the state defense order.
Они уже на содержательный завод отправляют сами. Хорошо. Вытяжка такая же, ротационная вытяжка, и потом сварка. Просто вопрос увеличения объемов и по кооперации по всем.
Мы идем с опережением графика.
90 и 90.
Вот он, по 12 часов. Он снаряжение и уже окончательно.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.